Welcome to our video on mastering link building for SEO in 2025. Link building is crucial for boosting domain authority and search rankings. By the end of this video, you'll enjoy the process and charm those search engines effortlessly. Link building is like networking for your website, exchanging hyperlinks instead of business cards. High-quality links from reputable sites are more valuable, much like a recommendation from a respected figure carries more weight. In 2025, link building remains vital as backlinks boost authority, drive referral traffic, and speed up indexing. Focus on link relevance, quality, and authenticity to make meaningful connections rather than chasing random links. Creating high-quality content is essential for effective link building. Original research, evergreen content, and infographics attract links. Guest blogging and leveraging broken links are also powerful strategies to gain valuable backlinks. Building relationships with influencers can lead to valuable backlinks. Engage with them on social media, share their content, and collaborate on projects. Utilize linkable assets like interactive tools and comprehensive lists to attract links. Monitor competitor backlinks using tools like Moz and SEMrush to find link opportunities. Participate in local link building by getting listed in directories and collaborating with local businesses for cross-promotion. Avoid common link building mistakes like buying links, overusing anchor text, and focusing on quantity over quality. Use tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush to simplify the process and ensure consistent, organic growth. Link building is about building relationships and credibility. Whether you're new to SEO or experienced, these strategies will enhance your online presence. Thanks for watching and happy link building. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.